Hello dear friends, today we are at Fontana House and we are going to cook a recipe with one of the most iconic ingredients of the Adriatic Sea, the queen of the seas. I'm talking about bream, a noble fish. Its Italian name, Orata, comes from the golden spot on its forehead. Today we have a classic recipe with a salt dough prepared with 500 grams of flour, 500 grams of salt, 300 grams of water and 2 eggs. Knead the dough well and roll it out with a rolling pin. Later we'll cover the bream with the dough and season it with laurel leaves, capers and lemon zest. The bream, previously cleaned and gutted, won't need to have its scales removed as they keep the salt out. Let's get started. We add capers, 1 laurel leaf and a bit of lemon zest, being careful not to scrape the white bitter part. Add a little bit of pepper. As for salt, there's no need to add any salt because we are already using the salt dough for seasoning. A drizzle of extra virgin oil. Roll out the other part of the salt dough, which is going to be used to cover the bream. We are going to trim the excess of the salt dough with a paring knife and leave it on the side. We are going to decorate the dough with the edge of a spoon. This will allow us to gently cook the fish, keeping the flesh compact and rich in perfumes. Once the bream is ready, aside we have kept some potato wedges, previously blanched, that is, put in boiling slightly acid water for a few minutes. Once drained, we will season them with salt, pepper, garlic, fresh rosemary, sage, and some capers. Let's add extra virgin oil and then place the potatoes on the tray so they evenly cook in the oven. Now place the bream on the tray and our recipe is ready to be basket. Preheat the Piero oven for 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius, the optimal temperature to cook the bream. The cooking time is about 40 minutes. So you need quite a short time to cook the bream correctly. Lift the door, hang it on the support, and put the fish in the oven. Close the door and wait 45 minutes for the dish to be ready.